Everyday is Cravings Day. Aesthetic, futuristic, o simpleng under the moon chill ba ang hanap mo? Good Bites, affordable Western cuisine to Singapore heartlands. Located lang ito sa Bishan Street 14, Bishan Sports Hall, 03-01 Singapore. Ma-amaze ka na meron palang gantong kagandang hidden kainan near sa Sports Hall.
Wow!
They offers different Western foods na abot kaya sa bulsa. They have coffee latte and fraps, soup, vegetable salad, grilled chicken, mini milkshakes, pastas, platters, and many more. Kaya ilabas ang camera at mag-picture muna. At no need to rush dahil alam nyo ba na open sila till 5 a.m.? Yes, you heard it right. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Share this video to your family and friends and set na kayo para pupuntahan nyo at matry nyo na rin ito para masabi nyo ring ay kasarap!